Hi guys, welcome back. It's Friday, y'all, and today I am making a nice cup of tea. Coming up with the flu. I've got blood nose, headaches, my eyes are very weak, and body ache. So I'm making a little concoction. The ingredients is ginger, turmeric, lemon, honey, and hot water. And that's what I'm drinking today. So tell you what, try and make sure that you keep your multivitamin next to you and take them at all times. It's the flu season and I got it really bad. I don't think I'm gonna stay at work for the whole day. That's how bad it is. Anyway, have a nice Friday and I'll see you later. God is love. Look after yourself and each other. Bye. Bum, 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 bum.